How to backup data in Telegram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can back up your data in Telegram. So let us begin. So the first step is make sure that you have the Telegram app and make sure that you have the updated version of the app. If you have not updated it, you can update it from App Store or Google Play Store. After that, you can open it up. In the bottom right corner, you'll find the settings option. Tap on settings and there what you'll need to do is head over to data and storage and make sure that your automatic media download and your background download is turned on. You can just scroll down and check your settings for yourselves as well. And after doing all of that, what you can then do is you can head back and if you want to migrate your data from one place to another, all you have to do is log in using your Telegram. You do not actually need any manual stuff to back up your chats. All you have to do is log in into your Telegram in another device and you're basically good to go. And that is how you can automatically back up data in Telegram, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.